Alright guys, we're here with Jimmy today and Blitz. We are going to be playing the night before the blizzard.
Jimmy, stay safe.
Poor Jimmy!
Come on, I wanna get in that truck.
You're in a one. Let's go to a two-player. Now here's Jimmy. No, Jimmy!
Jimmy! He's gone.
Jimmy's still here.
Get in the car.
Where's Jimmy? Alrighty.
No, Jimmy's a... Oh. We've been kidnapped! Blizzard. Home sweet home. To your house.
Nah, I think I'm gonna walk around my house.
I think I'm gonna jump in the dumpster can.
Ooh, wood. Let me get the shovel.
Put wood in the fireplace.
I don't need
Ooh, a
that
flashlight. I have a flashlight. I found a drink. Turn on TV.
Get it. Got a black support.
But all these
Flashlight.
issue a shelter in place warning.
Attention, citizens
Yo, get over
of
here.
Waukesha,
Get over
we have
here.
an urgent
The
alert.
viewers wanna
There
watch
has
this.
been a serious incident at a ski
Turn up your
resort
volume
near
so they
your
can hear.
location, where an individual was injured by an unknown thing. Please avoid the mentioned area and report any unusual activity immediately. Additionally, there is a snowstorm approaching your county. In order to ensure your safety, please follow these guidelines. Stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel. Do not venture outside during the storm. Secure windows and doors. Have emergency supplies ready. If you experience unusual symptoms, seek shelter immediately. Your safety is our top concern. Follow local authorities' directives and stay tuned for updates on this channel. Thank you for your cooperation.
Yeah, you can shut up now. Prepare for the blizzard. Get wood from outside. Firewood chip. Place
the
the
fireplace.
Keep it
Fire lit.
fed.
Keep the fireplace lit at all times. If it goes out, you die.
How do we? Oh, shoot.
Wardrobes causing weird noise and a strange effect. Open the wardrobe to order to scare away delusion. If you don't find delusional in time, he will jump scare you and do damage. Winter horn may spawn randomly during the blizzard with the scream. Use the PC flash to scare him away. It can only be used during the blizzard. Do not get caught. Alright. I already know these. I just saw them. We gotta get wood. We gotta get wood.
I don't have a fire axe though. Where do we go get the fire? Oh shoot, we have a lot.
Can we get one at a time?
Jump out the window. Oh, I can't. I'll go put this one in the fireplace. Let's go.
Put in the wood storage.
Come on. Dude, there we go. Prepare for the blizzard. It's 9 p.m. I need more wood. More wood. I want to get an axe. Oh, Jimmy's outside. Hey.
Yo, where?
Hold on, hold on.
Where could Jimmy be? Oh, I see him.
Over here.
Tyler, use the cameras. Where's the cameras?
Probably upstairs. It's a bathroom.
My gaming PC. Is this where we check the cameras?
I think. Move. Let me see. Oh yeah. This is like the intruder. Actually, after this, we should go play the intruder. It's a fun
Yo, Tyler.
game.
You stay inside. and you check the wardrobes.
What? These?
Yeah, whenever it's dark and it makes weird noise. For delusion. I'll be in charge of getting word.
Someone's knocking in the thingy.
Oh, we gotta find it,
Lucky.
Alright.
Ouch, it dealt damage. How do I get rid of it instead of taking damage?
You have to find it first.
Well, yeah, but when I open the closet, I take damage.
Yeah, you have to find the one that he's in.
Yeah, and then what? I opened it, but I take damage.
I guess you didn't open the right one. Alright, I'm gonna get wood. Use the camera to flash him off. If I get jumped.
Oh shoot, wait, Byron, this one's glowing black. What do I do? Ouch, I got jumped again.
I got wood.
So what do I do if he's in the house then?
Get the camera! Hide in the closet, I think. Oh no, get the camera.
Get the flash. Where is he?
I have no idea.
I got him, he was at the door.
Alright. Oh shoot. Oh, we found him. Alright.
Give him a long key.
I'll get wood, you defend me with the camera. Oh shoot, he's here. Hide him.
Ding!
You get him?
Gone.
Alright. Check for delusional.
Oh, why'd you leave the door open, my guy?
Okay, I'm gonna get wood. I hear a wardrobe. I think it was near the entrance.
Yep.
Tyler, help! I'm outside.
Where is he?
I don't know. Oh, he's at the door.
Did I get him?
Oh, yes. Thank you, bro. I almost died.
Got you.
Bro. Check for delusional.
One of us has to be at cameras at all times, bro.
Alright. Get the camera.
Where's that big boy? Come here. Check the hallway.
He
broke one of the windows, didn't he? He broke one of the windows.
Oh, he's here. He's in the hallway. Did you flash him?
Flashbang.
Oh. Just got jump scared.
We didn't get in time. My flashlight's out. Crap.
I'm gonna get wood. Push me up. Oh shoot. Tyler. Please get him.
Where is
He's
he?
after me. He's outside. You did not get him. I died.
You died?
Yes.
Oh shoot, no, I'm dead.
You weren't even flashing him?
I didn't see him.
We should do some with randoms. Let's go.
It's gonna trio.
Alright, now we know what to do.
Let's hope we don't die. Alright, now we know we don't have to
Dude,
watch
as
the
soon as
TV.
I went to go get wood, and when I was in the deepest part of getting wood, it spawns and comes directly after me.
Alright, get the wood.
We can't. Not yet. I should use my drink. My purple drink.
Okay, do not run out of stamina. Or else it'll go on a long cooldown.
Yeah, I ran out of stamina. Get the wood storage fast.
And carry a wood on you too. So you maximize the amount of wood that you got.
Be on checking cabinets. This is tough. Okay, I gotta move. Keep a wood in your inventory at all times.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Alright, I'm ready.
Skip the prep time.
Another drink.
Survive in a blizzard, dude. Wait. Oh, we can turn on the light. Look for lights. Look for light switches. Hold on, I'm getting cold. Yeah, after this game, I'm gonna go take a shower. Oh, we didn't hear him.
Oh my god, I just put all the wood in the fireplace.
Are you joking? You're not joking.
Tyler, help! Me and him are outside. Oh shit. He's dead. He's dead.
Get inside, hurry.
You know! Oh, he's gone. I have to leave him. Oh, I'm going back to get the wood.
Hurry.
Oh, please. I'm freezing up, Tyler. If we fail at one more delusional, I'm dead.
What's a one?
Winter horn just spawned. Tyler, help!
Check the closets. Check for delusional. Okay, we're good.
Here's in here.
Sticky, tough guy. Went to one. I hear him.
He's right there, he's right there.
Two.
Oh my god, bro. This guy. Okay, check the closets. I'm gonna go get wood.
Okay.
Push me up. Oh, he spawned. Gotta be kidding.
It's a one already.
He's right there, he's right there.
Bring him over here.
Alright.
Make sure the closets.
Check the one in the bedroom.
I already did.
Alright, I'm gonna get more work. Hopefully my last one. Nope, I'm going back in.
Went to one more. Check the closets.
Just prevent the hallway. He's got the hallway. Okay. Now I'm gonna get wood. Oh my god, bro. Thank goodness.
Did you die?
Natural regeneration.
Did you die?
No, it was natural regeneration. I'm about to die.
Dude, where the heck that monkey's?
Oh shoot. Oh! Oh my god, Tyler.
Those light flashed before his eyes.
I was trying to close the door, but he instantly opened it.
Check the closets.
I can't go outside again. Oh, I found him.
Check the closets. Yeah, your way.
Get him, get him.
A winter horn. Come on.
Get him!
There he is.
Okay, now I'm gonna get wood.
Hold on. Help with the closets. Never mind.
Uh-oh, he spawned. He spawned. Go, go, go! I got delusional.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
don't know. He's right there. He's right there. Yeah. I think another one just spawned.
Did another one spawn? The flash is on cooldown. The flash is on cooldown. Never mind. Check the closet.
Now another one spawned. I checked the closets. No one's in.
Get back.
He's right there. He's right there.
Monkey.
Do we survive until 7 a.m.? 6 a.m.? Oh, I need to get wood. I might die from this. So,
Oh.
I might be cooked.
Run.
Flash
Come here, big boy.
flash is on.
Wait, can I drop this?
I don't
Bone,
have
take it.
anything.
Bone, over you.
Where?
Come here. I had this. It heals you.
Uh-oh, flashing. Tyler, winter horn spawned.
Did he? Yeah, he did.
Yep.
Come here.
Delusional? Yes!
Yeah. Eternal cold.
What's that noise? That's her car.
Cold.
Let's go.
But the fact that the guy left and it was just us. Fine. We should do the okay, here's some horror games that we should do.
Hold on.
Intruder?
Let's do,
Which
let's do the outro.
Okay.
That's it, guys. We beat the night before the blizzard. And it was all thanks to Jerry. Snowman.
Well, at least we survived.
Jerry got bashed.
We lived to see another day.